I'm Tim Summers, Bopla Product Manager here at Phoenix Mecano in Frederick, Maryland. At Phoenix Mecano, we supply a variety of electronic enclosure systems from our Rose and Bopla product lines. Today, we'll be talking about one of our most popular enclosure systems, the Alubos. The Alubos product family is available in a variety of sizes and configurations. The enclosure consists of an aluminum extruded profile and various types of end caps, which safely protect your electronics. The result is an enclosure system that is widely deployed throughout the world. There are four main profile options for the Alubos family. The ABP is a closed tube with slots where PCBs can be slid in and secured. Combined with die-cast lids and gasket, this configuration can provide IP65 watertight and dust-tight configurations. The ABPH is a half extrusion, horizontally divided. The IP rating is retained by gasket that runs the length of the extrusion. The advantage of this configuration that is allows inserts for PCB mounting to be pressed into the interior of the enclosure. The ABBU is an open extrusion that uses a slide-in plate. This configuration has a reduced ingress protection rating. There are 9 closed configurations available, from the smallest, the ABP 600 at 57 mm by 32 mm, to the largest, the ABP 2070, which is 210 mm by 74 mm. The various sizes of the Alubos line allows clients to select the appropriate model for their application, and then, when a new larger or smaller form factor is required for another project, the look and feel of your product line can be retained. Bopla has recently introduced a new version of extrusion with integrated wall mounting. The version provides the same IP protection as the traditional ABPH and eliminates the need for separate mounting hardware. The newest profile type has an integrated heat sink for applications that require additional cooling of internal components. There are 4 variations of the open Alubos extrusion. While the IP rating is reduced, this allows for the simplest method of integration, as components can be easily mounted on the flat top plate and then slid into place on the extrusion body. Similarly, the ABPH has 8 cross sections available. In addition to the ability to press in mounting points in this configuration, the open extrusion allows for additional options for milling openings for fixing LCDs or TFT type displays. A new addition to the Alubos family, Bopla has recently introduced a version with an integrated heat sink. This version is ideal for applications that generate heat that must be dissipated. The 2-part configuration allows for elements that generate heat to be placed against the sidewall with some thermal paste to transfer heat generated by the electronics to the surrounding environment. These new sizes also have the options of the integrated wall mounting. The standard end covers have a recessed area that are ideal for machining openings for the placement of connectors for your electronics. Other versions of the lid allow for connections to be protected with a removable cover or hinge. There are also versions with integrated battery compartments and infrared permissible plastic caps. Standard black gaskets are provided with each of the end caps. Colored gaskets are available as an option to support functional color coding, aesthetic considerations, or your brand identity. The Alubos is designed with features in mind for customization. The standard extrusion is available in lengths of up to 1 meter and be cut to the desired length for your application. Recessed areas on the top of the enclosure body and end caps are ready as suitable for milling for fitting membrane keypads, buttons, LEDs, connectors, and switches. The standard color of the Alubos is black, but we can provide custom colors upon request in our on-premises powder coat facility. Customer branding, connection labels, or user instructions can be printed or laser marked directly on the enclosure in our print shop. Throughout the years, Bopla has developed a wide range of accessories to assist you in deploying your product in the field. With standard accessories ranging from connectors and mounting hardware to carrying handles and table feet, Bopla can provide the hardware for you to complete your project from a single source.